Отлично.
We're so happy we're back to our home country, and we're about like 1 minute and we're gonna give a press conference to our channel, TV channel. So Max, how do you feel after you're back to your home country? How do you feel? He feels really good. So now I'm gonna talk to Matty. I know he is super ready.
Yeah, I can't speak in English, but a little bit.
Oh, your English is perfect.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So how do you feel today?
Great, it's really great.
Are you ready to have fun with your TV channel?
Yeah, but I think our TV channel is
Takes
not,
a little long.
it's not,
Takes a little long. So, next episode, or shall we continue? Shall we continue? Okay. I know, guys, you did really well, and you got the top prize. And when you were back, how did your parents feel about, and how did your friends feel about your victory?
Oh, it's good. Our friends, our parents, very excited. Yeah, happy, and we must some little relax.
You need to relax.
2 or 3 weeks, and we come back in LA. And
I know you guys had fun. You went to the seaside and you really enjoyed yourself.
one more time.
Ach mir!
Support.